I feel like I'm ruining it. Have y'all ever seen anything like this? Let me show you how we got there. First, we're going to melt 1 stick of butter in a 9 by 13 pan. Okay, while the butter is melting, we also are going to put that water on to boil. So we want this to be ready when we're ready to add it. And I'm using, the recipe actually calls for 2 1/4 cup of boiling water. So I'll probably put 3 cups in here to be sure I have enough. Okay, now we're going to mix our dry ingredients together. And it's 1 1/2 cups of self-rising flour. And then it is 1 1/4 cup of sugar. Be sure, 1 1/4 cup. Sugar. And 1 3/4 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Oh, it's a new box. Get all that mixed good. And this is Mimi's Recipes. And she said if you are a chocolate lover, which I am, that we would absolutely love this. So I'm not quite sure how it's going to turn out with putting all that hot water in, but we shall see. Okay, once you have the dry ingredients mixed up, then we're going to mix 3/4 cups of whole milk and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. That's not a teaspoon. 2 teaspoons. Thereabout. And she did say mix this with a spoon, not with a mixer. That's what we're going to do. Coming together. See? That looks good. Now, I have my melted butter. Okay, now we just pour this right on top of the butter, but we do not stir. Okay, we're going to pour this right on top. Okay, remember not to stir. Next step, we make a topping that's going to go over this lovely mixture. So it is 1 1/2 cups of sugar. Looks like about a half. And a 1/2 cup of cocoa powder. And we just mix this, getting all the little lumps out, which may take a few minutes. Okay. Now we sprinkle this topping just all over. Again, no stirring. And she said you could just kind of smooth the little humps down a bit, very gently. Okay, now we're back to the part that looks like it's going to ruin the recipe. So now we add 2 1/4 cups of boiling water, and we just pour it very slowly over the top, which kind of frightens me. This cannot be right. Ah! I feel like I'm ruining it. Have y'all ever seen anything like this? I feel like I just made chocolate soup. Oh my goodness. Do y'all think this is going to turn out? Look at this. Okay. Oh, it smells heavenly though. Oh, the chocolate smells wonderful. She said to let this sit for about 5 minutes before we put it into a 350 oven. Oh. We'll see. I think I'm going to bake it just a little bit longer. I mean, it's still very liquidy. Maybe 10 more minutes. I left it in there an additional 8 minutes. It smells amazing. Oh, it smells so good. She said it would be kind of runny and it would thicken as it cools. Oh, so it has this breading on top. Oh my. And then this beautiful chocolate sauce. It's still way too hot to eat, but I so want to take a bite. Let's just show you that. Oh my word. Where has this been my whole life? I don't ever need any other chocolate dessert. Ever. This will be my new go-to chocolate dessert. Amazing. You guys make it. Thanks for joining me on Recreate the Plate.